All right, you're back with Steve from Trick Down Cycles. This is an interesting one. We picked up this bike over the winter time to get it refurbished and get it back up for sale. We picked it up from the Car Auctions. So this was a salvage bike, minimal damage on it. But the kicker is, buy the bike has 14,000 miles on it. To get it back, they got 500,001 miles on it. So 501,000 miles. They registered the title work. So holy shit, if I could get a Gixxer to make that kind of mileage, that'd be incredible. Look at that. What the heck? Somebody must have been riding this thing around the world. So that's just something funny, some things you deal with. Check all the paperwork before you send it up. Everything was right. I checked our original sheet there, but man, I guess there was a pandemic up in the state when they were doing the paperwork. So, because we waited 4 months for the title to come back in due to the pandemic shutting down everything. So I guess they were just pushing numbers and sending whatever they want. So this bike does not have 501,000 miles on it. It has 14,000. So just let everybody know there. It's a funny one. I'm sure you had anybody had any crazy experiences dealing with registrations, wrong numbers, names? Throw it up. Let's hear what happened to you, man. So here's my 500,000 mile Gixxer. Let's hear about your crazy stuff.